This is a video of CADmaker's proof of concept parametric data center tool. We start with a lightweight wireframe and volumetric model to initially visualize and conduct optimization studies that will be later detailed for construction. The tool contains embedded design parameters to control the number of server racks, elevations, and other aspects of the layout. When the ceiling height is modified from 2,500 millimeters to 2,700 millimeters, the ceiling is adjusted in addition to the ductwork and conduit lengths. When the number of server racks is modified from 16 to 30, the tool will instantiate the additional server racks in addition to all the necessary ductwork, conduit, and footprint required. There is also a parameter to control the number of rows in the design, which will dictate the number of cooling units, wiring, and ductwork required for the design as well. Using this parametric tool, we can leverage numerical analysis to test many different configurations and optimize the design for correlated metrics. The first optimization study we conduct is to find the design for minimum footprint required for 30 server racks. The optimizer uses various brute force numerical analysis algorithms to modify the design parameters and retrieve multiple values of footprint area and iterate to a minimum. The list of tested permutations will be stored in a database that can be used for reference later. Within the list, the designer can select any tested or optimized configuration to generate the 3D design. In addition to the list view, a graph can be used to visualize the optimization study as well. Within this design model, we can also embed cost information for the server racks, cooling equipment, as well as unit cost information for services such as ductwork, wiring, wire racks, and floor plan costs. This will allow us to conduct optimization for not only the floor area, but the costs associated to each design. Once again, a list of all the tested permutations will be output in a list and a graph for the designers to visualize the possible configurations and select the lowest cost design. Once the design configuration and layout has been selected, we can leverage pre-made automation templates to piggyback the simple wireframe and volumetric representations and detail the optimized design. Within these templates, all of the bill of material, detailed cost information, and assembly drawing data is generated for each unique element. This includes raised floors, cable trays, wiring, hangers, drop ceilings, ductwork, lighting, and wall assemblies at a fabrication level of detail, creating a digital twin of the design. The output model can then be used for precise quantity takeoffs, layout drawings for construction, facility maintenance, and much more. Please comment below to let us know what you think and whether you're involved in data center design. If you're interested in learning more or interested in implementing this tool, please contact us in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. This has been CADmakers and one of our many digital twin solutions. See you in the next video.